Hey guys, in this video I will give you complete tutorial of Design.com. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Design.com is a powerful all-in-one platform that allows you to create a professional website and design a logo without needing any prior experience. This tool is especially useful if you are starting a business, launching a brand, or even building a personal portfolio. Instead of juggling multiple tools or hiring a designer, you can handle everything in one place. We will walk through the entire process step by step, from setting up your website to generating a logo that matches your identity. So if you are ready to build your online presence quickly and efficiently, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is visit the official Design.com website. Once you land on the home page, you will see Sign In option at the top. Go ahead and sign into your account. Once your account is created, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, first we will go and select the Website Builder tab, and you will be prompted to begin creating your website. At this stage, if you already have a logo, you can upload it right away. After that, click on the option to create a beautiful website in seconds. You will also need to enter your business name, which will be used as part of your branding throughout the process. Once you have entered the required details, click Continue, and the platform will begin generating design ideas for you. As the system processes your input, you will quickly notice that it generates several website designs based on your business name and preferences. These designs come with pre-written content and layout suggestions, making it easy for you to visualize your website. For example, you may see different styles with taglines, descriptions, and layout structures already in place. At this point, you can browse through the available options and choose the one that best fits your vision. Once you find a design that you like, click on it to proceed. After selecting a design, you will be taken to the Website Builder. This is where you can fully customize your website. The editing tools are located on the right side of the screen, giving you easy access to all the features you need. One of the first things you can modify is the text content. You can update the title, description, and other elements to match your business message. For example, you can replace placeholder text with your own content, ensuring that it accurately represents your brand. Next, you can explore different layout styles. The platform allows you to switch between various display formats, giving you flexibility in how your content is presented. You can experiment with different styles until you find one that looks visually appealing and aligns with your preferences. The key here is to be creative and not feel limited by the default options. Another important aspect is the background. You can change the background to match your branding by selecting different colors or styles. For instance, if you prefer a bold and modern look, you can choose a darker background. On the other hand, if you want something clean and minimal, lighter colors may work better. Your logo placement is another detail to consider. Since you uploaded your logo earlier, you can decide where it should appear on your website. This ensures that your branding remains consistent and visible throughout your pages. Additionally, you can customize the style of buttons on your site. By default, the platform provides a standard button design, but you can change the shape, color, and style to better match your overall theme. For example, you might prefer rounded buttons instead of square ones for a softer look. You can also adjust button colors, fill styles, and icon colors. These small details may seem minor, but they play a significant role in the overall appearance of your website. Once you are happy with these adjustments, click Done to apply your changes. At this stage, it is a good idea to check how your website looks on different devices. The platform allows you to preview your design in both desktop and mobile views. This ensures that your site is responsive and looks great on all screen sizes. If everything looks good, you can switch back to the desktop view and continue with additional settings. In the Settings section, you will find options to further customize your website. One of these is the favicon, which is the small icon that appears next to your site name in the Browser tab. You can upload an image for this, typically your logo, to make your site more recognizable. You also have the option to integrate analytics tools. For example, you can add a Google Analytics measurement ID to track visitor activity on your website. This is useful if you want to monitor performance and understand how users interact with your site. Another useful feature is social sharing. You can upload an image, add a title, and include a description that will appear when your website is shared on social media platforms. This helps improve how your site looks when people share it online. Additionally, there is a cookie consent option that allows you to manage how user data is handled on your site. Once you are satisfied with all your changes, make sure to save your progress. This is especially important if you are working on the project over multiple sessions or collaborating with others. Saving ensures that all your updates are saved and ready for publishing. The final step in building your website is to publish it. Simply click the Publish button, and you will be prompted to choose a plan. The platform offers both free and premium options. The free plan allows you to create and publish a basic website without any coding knowledge. If you need more advanced features, you can explore the premium plans, which offer additional customization and functionality. If you are unsure, you can always start with the free plan and upgrade later. Now, whenever you feel like you need to make any changes, you can simply click on the Edit Design option. This will take you back to your website builder, where you can easily adjust and update your website however you prefer. Once your website is complete, the next step is to create a logo. To do this, go back to the main homepage and select the Logo Creation option. Enter your business name again and proceed to the next step. You will then be asked to provide keywords that describe your brand. For example, you might include terms related to content creation, business, or your specific niche. These keywords help the platform generate logo designs that match your style. After submitting your keywords, the system will generate several logo options for you. You can browse through these designs and select the one that best represents your brand. Once you choose a logo, you will be taken to the logo editor, where you can make further adjustments. In the logo editor, you can customize elements such as background color, text color, and layout. You can also add shapes or additional text if needed. However, it is often best to keep things simple, especially if the generated design already looks good. The platform also allows you to animate your logo, adding a dynamic touch if you plan to use it in digital content. There is also an AI option available. Now, what this does is it allows you to make changes to your design automatically using AI. Based on your instructions, the AI will generate an improved version of your logo for you. So, this is definitely a very useful feature as well. Once you are happy with your logo, you can preview it by clicking on this play button to see how it looks. If you need to make further changes, you can go back and edit it. Otherwise, you can proceed to download your logo. Just like with the website, you will be asked to choose a plan before downloading. Depending on your needs, you can select the appropriate option. Overall, Design.com is a powerful platform that simplifies the process of building a brand online. It allows you to create a website and logo in one place, making it an excellent choice for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small businesses. The platform is easy to use, efficient, and does not require any coding or design experience. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.